Importers and exporters use IncoDocs to easily create all of the sales and shipping documentation that are required for selling and shipping goods internationally. IncoDocs provides simple, clear document templates that are designed to meet the requirements of international shipping. This ensures that shippers meet compliance to avoid any costly delays, fines, or missed shipments. Click to create pro forma invoices, commercial invoices, purchase orders, and other shipping documentation that are required to ship goods internationally. IncoDocs integrates with many cloud accounting platforms to eliminate manual data re-entry. Simply click to automatically fill quotations, invoices, or purchase order templates between IncoDocs and your accounting platform without retyping any data. Digital signatures and stamps eliminate the manual print, sign and scan process to provide a truly paperless operation. Get started today at IncoDocs.com.